Hello, my name is Sankar Reddy. The project name is Beacon Plus, which we have done for in AI Hackathon 2024 at University of Buffalo. We have done this project for Lighthouse. I'll sh- uh, we have done this project for Lighthouse, a non-profitable organization. Let me give you a brief overview of what this project is. Beacon Plus is basically a suggestion system, but this is not a regular suggestion system. We have trained a large language model, which is a clinical bird, which is also previously trained on the medical data. We have trained that large language model to generate a PDF which consists of the insurance suggestions. So, coming to the root level of the problem, what is the problem actually? Lighthouse Free Medical Clinic is a non-profitable organization which will help people get insurance and also get treatment for small kind of diseases. The main problem for Lighthouse is people kept repeatedly coming to Lighthouse for same kind of issues which they don't have insurance. If they have insurance, they could have covered this problem in the insurance. Because of this problem, Lighthouse has a consultant which will help people to get an affordable and easy to use insurance. But the problem is the people are heavy, and the people, as this is a non-profitable thing, there are only few people available for the consultation. So they have asked us to use artificial intelligence to bridge this gap and increase the amount of people to get insured. So what we have done is we have instead of removing the system, instead of creating problem in the system or recreating a new system, we have included artificial intelligence, the generative AI thing, into this system, into this existing system. You can see the web interface of this. This is replica of the Lighthouse website. We have taken all the documentation. We have thoroughly examined the documentation, and we have created a similar website as Lighthouse, and then taking this information to giving to the large language model, fine tuning the large language models, and generating the PDF. We'll get deep into this by this video demo. Here, one more thing to notice is this interface is not directly to the patient. There will be a person who is filling this from the company point of view. Here for Lighthouse, they have undergrads who will take the information of the patient and enter into this website. Here, Vamshika Kumar Naidu is our teammate who designed the front part. So here we'll be giving the patient information. In this, we'll fill all the kind of useful information from the patient. Here the person is filling the date of birth and all this. Let me make this a little slow so that we can follow through. So after filling the information, this take the geographical location of the person, where this person is situated, either in the United States or the citizenship status, so which kind of state he belongs to, either New York or other states. So these factors affect the person's insurance. Actually, all this information, what kind of information is needed, we have taken from the Lighthouse people. We got we took the documentation, and also we got some consultants to discuss our ideas with. Those people told us what are the considerations that need to be taken care of when we are suggesting an insurance. So these are the different types of features that we are considering: the education, the previous medical history, are the person allergic to any kind of food or the medication, is he taking any tobacco products, or in the past time did he take that, and what is his financial condition, what is the current income, what is his property values, and all those things. We are taking all those things into consideration. So what we are doing, we are not giving the information, the output, directly to the patient, because currently AI is still actually reliable. AI makes less mistakes than human when trained properly. But taking the worst case, let us think that AI is 70 to 80% reliable. But in the case of medical things, we don't want this 20% of gap to be occurring. So we want it to be 100% reliable. So we are keeping a filter, the doctor. You might ask us that still we are using the doctor. What is the purpose? But here the doctor is not starting things from scratch. He will be having the report. I'll be showing you in the future what the report is. He'll be having the report, and he'll be reading that report and judging these things. So the doctor will have a lot of patients, like, so it will make them easy. We are not removing the doctor. We are giving the doctor an assistant to make things easier. So there will be one more technology that need to be addressed, is reinforcement learning. This is the same technique used by ChatGPT, that we'll get a feedback, or do you like this, or which part of it will generate two outputs, and it will ask us which do you prefer. Then we can take one. That is a feedback. So that is a feedback mechanism of GPT. The similar thing, if the doctor says this is good, then it will add the points. If there are different types of reinforcement learning algorithms, such as DQ and active critic and other. So we are implementing those algorithms, and we are training it with the feedback of the doctor. And what is the next advancement? Let me show you what is this now. Then we'll show you the next advancements. We are taking the citizenship status, is he married, and all the other important information. Then we will be generating an output. So this is the output that will be given to the doctor. See, we can see that the insurance of ETA insurance is suggested. So the point is, these is now given to doctor when advanced, when after as I said, when we use RL after a certain time, we will get a very good output, like very reliable output. At that time we'll be sending this information directly to the patient through mail, and then now we are only generating recommendation. Then the future is we'll be generating complete description why the large language model is thinking that this insurance is more suitable for the person, what are the considerations of features. So if the person, everything is given in a descriptive manner. If the person likes it, then he'll be clicking on the into insurance or giving a good feedback. That is also used as a feedback or the data to retrain the model. So what we are making is making it more easier, and like by providing the features, we'll by making it more reliable. So obviously we believe that in medical system also we need a lot of artificial intelligence involved, because it is too costly, and with that it requires a lot of time for getting an appointment. So we see a great feature in this, and the one more thing is what we got feedback from the judges is this is the not most advanced project that they have seen in the hackathon, but this is the most reliable project, and this is the more efficient to integrate into the current technology. So that is the reason we have won the hackathon and received the first prize. Thank you.